Survey programmer and data analyst are two careers that often get confused with each other. Both work with data, both are in demand, and both offer good salaries. But if you're starting your career today, which one should you choose? If you're considering a career in market research, data analytics, or survey programming, this video will help you understand the key differences and decide which path might be better for you. A survey programmer is responsible for building and testing online surveys. Their job includes creating survey logic, implementing skip patterns, randomization quotas, validation checks, multi-language surveys, survey testing, and quality assurance. Common tools include Decipher, Qualtrics, Lime. Survey confirmed survey programmers act as the bridge between survey design and data collection. A data analyst focuses on analyzing data after it has been collected. Their responsibilities include cleaning data, creating dashboards, identifying trends, building reports, presenting insights. Common tools include Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau. The goal of a data analyst is to turn raw data into meaningful business insights. Skills required for a survey programmer are survey platforms, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, logic. Building skills required for a data analyst are SQL, Excel, statistics, data visualization, Python or R. If you enjoy building systems and solving technical logic problems, survey programming may suit you. If you enjoy working with numbers, trends, and business insights, data analytics may be a better fit.